Welcome back again with another video. Here to talk about my mentorship program for new tax professionals, people that's looking to get started in tax and accounting industry, tax preparation industry, whatever term you want to use for that makes me no difference. The bottom line is I'm here to help you make it happen for yourself. I'm here to help you get the success you say you want to have. The person I'm looking to work with is the person that's already looking for what I do, and that's help individuals like yourself start and grow your tax and accounting firm, your tax preparation business, whatever the term you want to use for it, makes me no difference. I work with three groups of people. The first person that has no prior training or experience but chose this career and business model, kudos for you. The person that's already working in the industry who realizes if I reposition myself as a boss versus employee, I can make a greater impact and more money, kudos for you. And the person that just want to learn tax preparation skills and get the knowledge and make money, but not necessarily as a boss, but don't mind working for a company or partner with me where they can make more money as a result of that, because I'm going to show you how to make that rain and make that happen. Kudos for you. So my mentorship program removes all the guesswork to getting started. My mentorship program gives you everything you need from A to Z, front end, back end, to be successful. The key to your success will be you being the person that takes initiative, makes things happen for yourself. And if you're that person already in your life, then the success you're going to get won't take long, because what I help you do is save time, money, and effort. Because see, the people that's trying to do this by themselves are trying to figure it out. They're doing trial and error. They're not sure. They're not confident. And so they're doing things that I would never have you do if you were working with me in the first place. I had a young lady who spent over $5,000 getting started on some stuff that I never would have had her buy if she'd have been plugged in with me from the beginning. And that's the value I bring to the marketplace. That's the value I bring to you, because I get to save you time, money, frustration, and effort. And I help you make money fast, because I'm going to give you the roadmap to what you need to do to get the money. But you got to show up and make it happen. I can't do the work for you. And so if you're a go-getter, you're going to take initiative. You're going to get all in. You're going to bet on you. You're going to be all you can be. Giving up is not an option. You're going to do whatever it takes to make it happen. Then you're the person I want to work with. I want to hear from you. 773-675-9823. Or you can even email me at info@workwthomas.com. The choice is yours. I have a 16-week course. It's not going to tell you the price until I get you on the phone. But the bottom line is, after this 16-week course over, you have a total of 12 months access to me. Meaning, after that 16 weeks is over, it's not over. Because your number one job as a new person is to learn, 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 and more learn. Become skillful and knowledgeable in the industry of tax preparation and taxation, so you can be able to answer basic tax questions for people who are going to ask you questions and concerns about their situations. You want to be able to answer those things. And the quicker you learn, the quicker you grow, the quicker you know, the better you can turn potential clients into clients, because they see you resourceful, they see you knowledgeable, they see you got their best interests at heart, they see that you're the type of person they want to be a part of, because you possess the qualities that they already look for and admire. And that's powerful to be able to be that type of person already, but now you add knowledge and skills to your skill sets that's going to allow you to go out and make money for yourself and for your business. And the cap on your income is based on you. And so being a self-employed solopreneur individual is all about you promote your business. It's about you letting the world know who you are and how you help. It's letting the world know that, hey, I'm here to help make it happen for you. If you're looking for someone that's going to help you with your tax preparation needs, I would like to be that one for you. One of the things I'm working on in my mentorship program that's going to be new for 2025 is being able to help you build out your social media presence and your online presence, which going to help you reach more people and give you access to potential clients that you can do business with, based on me teaching you what your marketing message looks like, who your target audience is, and what type of brand you want to build around it. What your mission statement is, what your vision statement, what your core values are. All these things are part of the pieces of the landscape of having a full-fledged business, regardless of what business model it is, regardless of what product or service it is universal to businesses across the world. And I want to help you make that happen for yourself. So again, if you looking for mentorship, guidance, leadership, training, support, and accountability. You're already looking for someone who can help you make this happen for yourself because you don't want to take the chance and the risk and the time and your money by trying to figure this thing out by yourself, because that can be a disastrous situation when it doesn't have to be. So that's the person I'm looking to work with. The person is already looking for mentorship, guidance, training, support, leadership, and accountability. If that's you, I want to hear from you. 773-675-9823. Let's talk, let's chat, let's make it happen. The quicker you get started, the better. The learning curve to having a business, especially in this industry, will vary from person to person. You don't know what your learning curve looks like until you get started. I don't know what your learning curve looks like until you get started with me. So the quicker you get started, the better. Leverage the rest of this year by preparing yourself for the upcoming tax season by getting the knowledge, getting the skills, becoming knowledgeable, being able to answer basic tax questions on the fly from people who consider doing business with you is going to be a powerful situation to help you get clients, because they want somebody that knows what they're doing. They want somebody that's confident. They want somebody that's knowledgeable. And if you act the part, most people won't even ask you how long you've been doing this, especially if they don't already know you. You know what I'm saying? But the people that already know you got a good idea this is a new venture for you. And if you tell them, hey, I'm working with someone who's experienced, who has 23 years of experience in the industry, they guided me through their program. I'm learning a whole lot, and I'm not making the mistakes that a lot of people are making who are doing this by themselves. If there's any way that we can do business together, I'd like to hear from you. Give them one of your business cards, give them your name and number, and just follow up with them until tax season come around, and take it from there. So my goal is to help you start and grow a profitable tax preparation business for yourself. My goal is to give you all the training, resources, and information needed to educate you to be a well-rounded tax preparer slash tax professional if you choose to go that route. Because at this point, there's no federal legislation on the books for preparing tax returns. There's only 6 states that have something for preparing tax returns in those states. Other than that, it's a clear playing field. I don't know how long I don't know how long that's gonna last, but the bottom line is, right now is the time to take action. Right now, y'all got questions, y'all got concerns. I want to be the one to answer those for you. And like I said, if you don't do business with me, at least you have the right information. So if you got someone you already been looking at, you got someone you really like and trust and feel good about, then you get to leverage what I've already shared with you to see if they're talking about the same thing. See if the information lines up. If it's all the way off kilter, either I'm out of pocket or they're out of pocket, but you have to decide for yourself which one of us has to be out of pocket if the information is not lining up on what I say versus what somebody else is saying. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video.